So I remember last time we talked about what had happened with your month in July, where you got these 9 clients in 1 month. I remember you saying, "Yeah, it's really nice when you've done all the work in the past, and then you just watch it roll in."
Yes. Emails start coming in and the phone starts ringing, and it's people who want to talk to you, and that's a good feeling, especially when a lot of my marketing, I do a lot of marketing on the ground as well, and that can be hard work, and so to not have to go out and do that, and just to have it come in and say, hey, I found you on the web, that's really nice.
Yeah. So tell us just kind of an overview, broad strokes. How did you do it? How did you create a digital marketing presence that was able to generate that volume of new clients?
I've got a multi-prong approach to digital marketing. So I've got my website, and I pay a professional so that it's a good looking website. I write and I post that to my blog. I use the videos from FA Client Machine, and I put those on my blog. I share all of those out through my social media channels, through Facebook, through LinkedIn, through Twitter. And then I combine that with SEO, which, all of those things I just mentioned.